Hello friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. I am here to tell you that I host free special live classes daily on unacademy for JIGL and company law, and we are in the process of completing the preparation. So if you are preparing for the first time or probably revising for the second, third, fourth or any time, you can join the sessions as they are totally free of cost. You can join my session by using my code CSJAS. And I am here to announce another 2 special live classes today and on Monday, that is 8th April and 11th April, sharp at 7 p.m. Today at 7 p.m. we will be completing the topic of Civil Procedure Code with the topic of appeals, reference, review and revisions and all the miscellaneous topics that end the chapter. This is the end of the chapter of CPC. We have successfully completed the topic of CPC. As you all must be knowing, it's one of the most important topic for exams. And on 11th, we will be starting with chapter number 8 of company law with the topic of important terms and requirement of keeping books of accounts. Now, if you have thoroughly studied company law, you must be knowing that chapter 8 of part A is one of the most important chapter because it is the chapter from which lots and lots of questions are asked in every attempt. So make sure that you attend the sessions as they are free of cost. The class links to both the sessions will be in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that before the class begins you get notified. Other than that, unacademy offers awesome batches for CA, CS and CMA students, and at this point of time they are running a Shikhar batch for our CS executive students specially. The batch links to the Shikhar batch is also in the description box below. Make sure you check them out, and in case you plan to get the subscription, do use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. So see you all in the session of today and on Monday sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.